You take your thyroid medicines regularly, take a healthy diet, you're also doing yoga and meditation, but still you have tiredness, bloating and brain fog. What if I tell you the real culprit could be hiding in your regular rotis and breads? Today we are talking about one word, gluten, and why it could be silently messing up with your thyroid. Hi, I'm Kinjal, a qualified nutritionist and a lifestyle coach. On this channel we simplify nutrition science so that you can take control of your health naturally. Today's video is for those dealing with hypothyroid or Hashimoto's thyroiditis, a very common but often misunderstood autoimmune thyroid condition. और आज हम बात करेंगे controversial topic के बारे में, क्या gluten free diet thyroid के लिए helpful है या सिर्फ एक trend है? First, let's understand what is gluten and where it is hiding. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, rye and barley. That means it is in your regular atas, rotis, breads, biscuits, khakra, paratha, thepla, cake, pasta and so many other foods. It can also be present in certain sauces and some masalas. Gluten can be tough to digest, but for those having thyroid, especially autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's, it can be not just difficult but harmful. Now let's talk science but in easy terms. In Hashimoto's, your immune cells by mistakenly start attack your thyroid gland, and gluten contains a protein structure that looks similar to thyroid tissues. This causes molecular mimicry and creates the entire confusion. So when you eat gluten, your body might accidentally attack your thyroid tissues. ये एक kind of invisible war जैसा है जो हमारे body के अंदर चलता है. And every day with exposure to gluten, the symptoms kind of worsens even further. Fatigue, bloating, mood swings, brain fog, hair fall, ये सारे symptoms aggravate होते जाते हैं. Now this doesn't mean everyone with thyroid issues should stop taking gluten suddenly. But if you have Hashimoto's, your TSH levels are under control but still you have all these symptoms of thyroid, or your gut health is weak, could be constipation, IBS, constant gas and bloating, acidity, then try a gluten-free diet for 4 to 6 weeks. It's not any magic pill but ये एक tool है. Observe how your body responds to a gluten-free diet. एनर्जी इम्प्रूव होती है क्या, ब्रेन फॉग क्लियर हो रहा है, पेट की सारी गड़बड़ ठीक हो रही है, देन इट कुड इंडिकेट दैट योर बॉडी इज बेटर विदाउट ग्लूटेन. अब सवाल ये है कि अगर ग्लूटेन नहीं खाना है तो खाएं क्या? वी हैव सो मेनी न्यूट्रिशियस मिलेट्स अवेलेबल. व्हीट एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हम रेगुलर बेसिस पे कंज्यूम करते आ रहे हैं और हमें उसकी आदत है. But we can always replace it with jowar, bajra, ragi, and there are so many other millets available. You can try quinoa, brown rice, or multi-millet dosa. Always remember to choose homemade snacks over ready-made because it might contain some amount of gluten in it. Develop this habit of reading labels, and most importantly, balance is a key. Gluten free doesn't mean कि आपका बाकी सारा nutrients deficient हो जाए. You have to have a balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with someone who is struggling with thyroid health. Comment below and tell me if you ever have tried gluten free in past, or do you think it could help your symptoms? And if you would like a 7 days detailed gluten free diet plan, then just comment gluten free so that I know that you are really interested in your thyroid health. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, eat well and heal gently. Bye bye.